Well, the Green Mamod WS1 workshop is officially finished. After a little bit of research online, I discovered that Manor Models, who are a purveyor of Mamod spares here in the UK online store, they actually did a belt kit for the WS1 workshop. So basically, that's all 4 belts that you need to connect up all the different tools, and very reasonably priced. So I invested in one of those, and as you can see, it's now finished with all its drive belts. The one on the main flywheel is one that I already had. I'm not sure if it's going to be long enough to reach an engine, but we'll give it a go and see. But yeah, I'm well pleased with the way it turned out. You know, it's a bit of a shame about the slightly different green colours on the line shaft pillars, but well, there you go. That's that. So let's get it connected up to a little Mamod engine. So I've got the old WS1 workstation linked up to the Mamod SE3. I thought that was a nice engine to put to pair with it. So we'll just see whether we've got enough steam pressure. Yes, look at that, there we go. I didn't have a long enough Mamod drive belt, so I've had to use one of the plastic urethane ones, rubber urethane ones, but no, it's working nicely. View from a slightly different angle. Well, that's about it for the Green Mamod WS1 workstation. Hope you enjoyed this build. I certainly enjoyed doing it, and I'm really pleased now to have a Mamod workstation which is green. So thanks very much for watching. Cheers.